So introduction to GEE, it is the full form of the Google Earth Engine. So actually Google Earth Engine is a tool that performs the large scale data driven for environmental analysis. It combines remotely sensed data. This data will be comes from the USGS, NASA, Google, and more source. Okay. It is a unique platform because anyone can perform highly interactive algorithm development at global scale across the large amount of data very quickly and efficiently. And it is a cloud-based platform. Okay. So then we also discuss about the what's the application of Google Earth Engine and how does the work, mainly how does the work Google Earth Engine, then what's the advantage of the using the Google Earth Engine and how you can start this tool. So mainly, do we have any experience with using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Anyone? Any experience?
No, sir, I have no idea about that.
Okay. So do you have any experience with programming language, just Python, JavaScript, or other programming language? Any experience about this? Actually, I want to make an interactive session and we also interactive with each other so that our learning is be very good way. Any experience with programming language, just Python, JavaScript, or other? If no, there is no problem. We can also this Google Earth Engine from the basic, and we also learn the JavaScript programming, and we also try to show you all of these things, how you can easily apply the JavaScript programming language in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. Okay, no problem. So first of all, what is GE? We already discussed about that. Actually, GE is a tool that perform the large scale data driven for environmental analysis, and it combines the remotely sensed data. You can get all of this data from the Google Earth Engine very quickly and efficiently, and it is a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. You don't need to download any software. You don't need to download any software or any other material. You don't need to download, because this is the cloud-based platform. You can do everything for the geospatial analysis in the cloud-based. Then you can easily access over 40 years of satellite imagery. You can easily access over 40 years of satellite imagery. It will be Landsat, Sentinel, or any satellite images you can easily access using the Google Earth Engine platform. And then if you have any own data set, if you have any own data set, raster or vector data set, then you can easily import this data set in Google Earth Engine, and then you can easily use this data set in Google Earth Engine. Then apply the range of common algorithm to data. You can easily apply the different type of algorithm easily in Google Earth Engine. Then after all of this thing, you can get the result. You can export your images as a map or TIFF format. You can easily export the table, chart, maps, output. You can easily get all of this output using the Google Earth Engine platform. And then application. Google Earth Engine has a lot of application. We can do any remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine. We can do any. Suppose it mainly focuses the detecting the deforestation. We can easily detect the deforestation using the Google Earth Engine. Then we can easily classify the land cover classification. Then we can also do for the estimate the forest biomass and carbon. We can also the mapping the world's roadless areas. We can also assessment of plant health status. We can also make the air quality monitoring easily using the Google Earth Engine. We can easily do for the water quality monitoring. We can also do for the flood mapping and damage assessment. We can also do for the drought monitoring and burn severity mapping, and so on application you can easily do in using the Google Earth Engine platform. And also do for the land surface temperature monitoring. You can easily do any remote sensing application. You can easily do this tool. So GE or Google Earth Engine focus on society's biggest challenges. So after completing your registration, you can get a message from the Google Earth Engine authority. You can get a message like this. Okay, I hope everyone get the message like this. Yeah. Okay. So now you can see here.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can see here the Earth Engine code editor. Mainly this is our code editor link. When I simply click to the Earth Engine code editor, then I can easily go to the Earth Engine code editor or JavaScript API code editor. Okay. So when I click to here, then it will be this link. This link will be go to the Earth Engine code editor. Okay. So I can get the interface of the Earth Engine JavaScript API. So now I will discuss about the every function of this code editor. So for this, I will go to my browser and open my code editor. So this is the code editor. So in this code editor, here you can see this is the white place, and this place called the editor panel. This is our editor panel. Okay. In this editor panel, I write custom of codes. This code will be JavaScript code. In this platform, we cannot use the Python code because this platform is the JavaScript API. It's only supported the JavaScript programming language. Okay. So this is the code editor panel, and the editor panel is where you write the edit or write your code or edit your code. Okay. Then you can see the right panel. You can see the right panel here. You can see the three main tabs. This is the inspector tab, then console tab, and tasks tab. I will explain. So first of all, inspector tab. Inspector tab, for querying the map result, you can get the map result. For querying the map result, suppose you can see here, this is the map, this is the blank map. Okay, I don't need to any LULC map or any NDVI map or any map. I don't need, this is the totally default map. Okay, suppose you want to add a NDVI map in this time in here. So when you click to this inspector tab and then click on the map, the point, a specific point, then you can get this value. Okay. So in this time, when I click on this, on the inspector tab and click on the map, I can get this place longitude, latitude, and zoom level. Okay. But when you add the any map or different type of layer map, when you simply click to here, then you can get this result. Okay. So in this time, you remember that inspector tab will be help you for querying the map result. You can get the map result from the inspector tab. Okay. And then console tab. So console tab is the printing output. Suppose you want to print something here. Suppose in this time I print a, suppose I print, this is the function. We will discuss about this for the next time. So I simply give you example so that you can easily understand. So when I click to the run, you can see this output, it will be printing under the console tab. So in this time, you remember that console tab for printing output. Okay, console tab, it's the printing your output, and tasks tab. So tasks tab for managing your long running tasks. Suppose you want to importing or exporting any shapefile or any raster image or anything, then this tasks tab will be running. Okay, when you imported some shapefile or exported some raster image or anything, then this tasks tab will be running. Okay, we can also show this the next time. Okay, in this time you remember that tasks tab for managing your long running tasks. Okay, and in the left corner you can see here the another three tab. This tab is the script, docs, and asset. Okay, so script tab for managing your programming script. So in this time you can see here the script tab. I add the different type of script, and I can add the different type of code here. So it will be store my all of this script which I worked the before. When I need the any script, I simply search here the filter the script, and I can simply open this in my code editor. Okay, suppose in this time I simply click to here. Now you can see this code will be automatically, this script will be automatically add in my code editor. Okay, so mainly script tab is working for the store your own script. I can save this script in this the script tab. Okay, Then you can see the docs tab. This is the very important part. Docs tab for accessing the documentation of Earth Engine object. Okay, you can get all of this Earth Engine documentation in here. You can also get how to use this. You can also get how to use this, what is the argument of this Earth Engine object. Okay, you can get all of this documentation in here. Okay, so this is the very important for this time. Docs tab, you can get, you don't need to memorize, memorize any Earth Engine function or any Earth Engine object. Okay, when you work with this, you can simply search your object name and search the words you need. You can simply search here. You can get all of this argument description, what is the argument of this function. Okay, we also discuss about the next time, no problem. So in this time, I will give you the some user interface of the Earth Engine code editor. Okay, then you can see the asset tab. So asset tab mainly storing your shapefile, raster file, or CSV file, or other file. Okay, so it mainly is storing the shapefile, raster file, or other CSV file. Okay, asset tab. You can get 250 GB free. Okay, 250 GB free. You can available your asset tab 250 GB. After this, when you full this 250 GB across this limit, then you need to buy from the Google Earth Engine. Okay, so it will be free from the 250 gigabyte. You can use the store the shapefile or raster images in Earth Engine. Okay, then you can see here this option is the get link. Okay, get link is the option. When you simply click to here, you can see a link will be generated. Okay, you can simply click to copy to link. This link will be copied and you can easily share this link with other person. Then this person will be access this code. Okay, and this is the run. When I simply click to the run, you can see this code will be executed and we can get the output of this code. Okay, so it will be running. Our console tab will be running. You can see it mainly, this is the animation of the NDVI for the Bangladesh. It will be generating. And this is the reset tab. Reset tab is mainly used for the reset your code editor or map view or console. When I simply click to the reset, then it will be gone. Okay, and apps mainly manage your apps. Suppose you want to make a develop a code, this code will be get a something apps. Suppose I will try to show some example in this time. So in this time, you can see here the different types of the apps for the drought monitoring using the SBI, EVI, NDVI trend, then start NDVI for Bangladesh, then water quality analysis. I can simply open an app so that you can easily understand how it will be work. So this is the mainly Earth Engine web application. Okay, and it will be open. Anyone can using this link and they can easily access this code, access this app and use this app. Okay, it will be running. Okay, so now you can see this is the water quality analysis and you can easily get the all of these things. Suppose I can easily simply select my here the time bounded or time frame. I can simply select the time frame. Suppose I can simply select here this time frame, then I randomly select some time, then I simply select my ROI. Suppose I want to monitor this water from this lake, I simply select here this, and then I can select I want to calculate the turbidity, TSS or chlorophyll. Suppose I want to TSS, total suspended solid. Okay, then I simply click to the submit. Then you can get these places the total suspended solid between this time frame. You can get the all of these things. You can also get the animation of this. You can see it will be appeared. Okay, if you want, you can also check here the turbidity. You can simply select the turbidity and simply click to the submit. Okay, then chlorophyll. Okay. So apps just like this of this time, and another app you can see here. Suppose I want to show the another example, chart NDVI time for Bangladesh. I simply click to here. This app will be automatically open. Okay, so this app mainly focus the when you click on the map, then you can get the time series chart for this map. Suppose this is our NDVI web application, Earth Engine apps. Anyone can access this application using this link. Okay, and when I simply click to here, you can see I can get the appropriate latitude and longitude, and I can get the time series chart about this NDVI over time at this point. Okay, mainly this app according to what, when I simply click to here, then I can get this the chart NDVI time. Okay, so apps, so this is the our introductory part, so I will not go in depth the Earth Engine web application in this time. So in this time you can simply manage remember this apps is the managing your apps, okay, web application of Google Earth Engine. Okay, then you can see here, this is our map interactive view. This called the map interactive view, and this map interactive view we can get all of this map. We can add the different type of the layer, we can add the different type of you can see this is a satellite map. When I simply click here, then I can get the satellite view of this map. Okay, this is the different types of hand tool. We can use the hand tool, this hand tool for the moving the map easily. Then the we can access the add the marker. Okay, add the marker. Then this is the we can draw the different type of the shape file, line, point, line, polygon. Okay, we can add all of these things easily from here. And this is the zoom out and zoom in and zoom out option. Okay, so mainly this is the total user interface of the Earth JavaScript web application or JavaScript API code editor for Google Earth Engine. So in this time, any question about this part? Ask me, no problem. Any question?
Can I ask in Bengali language?
Okay, no problem.
আচ্ছা, বলছি এই যে আপনি এনডিভিআর এর সব কোডগুলো দিয়ে ক্যালকুলেট করছেন, এটার জন্য কি কোনো মানে আপনাকে কোনো কোড দিলে অটোমেটিক্যালি ক্যালকুলেট হয়ে যাচ্ছে? অন্য একটা জায়গায় যদি আমি করতে চাই অটোমেটিক্যালি হয়ে যাবে, না ওই জায়গার কিছু রেফারেন্স নিতে হয়েছে?
এটা আপনার অটোমেটিক্যালি হয়ে যাবে, জাস্ট আপনাকে ওই যে ওই জায়গার শেপ ফাইলটা বসাতে হবে। আমরা একটু পরেই দেখবো কি করে শেপ ফাইল ইম্পোর্ট করতে হয়, ওই সেই জিনিসগুলো দেখবো আমরা।
ওকে ওকে,
কিভাবে আপনি ইমেজ সিলেকশন করবেন, কিভাবে আপনি সিলেক্ট করবেন, এনডিভিআই সিলেক্ট করবেন, অল অফ দিস থিংস। ওকে, নো প্রবলেম।
ওকে ওকে
ওকে, so after 7 minutes I will send the Zoom link again. Please join this again. Okay, so after 6 minutes it will be automatically off. We will start from, I will send you the Zoom link, then you please join again. Okay, so now I can go to my slide.
I have one question.
So now